I wanted to do a quick video on the A1534. I apologize, I can't show you everything because unfortunately I already fixed it. This one had a little bit of liquid damage, but it was the water actually fell on it and then it quit working. Now, it wouldn't charge, wouldn't do anything. No matter what you did to it, there was zero life to it. When I found out, after cleaning all the corrosion out, getting everything cleaned up, I did some research and found out that on these there's a fall sensor. Even though these have, the hard drive is embedded on the motherboard, there's a fall sensor that actually powers these things off. And if you look, the way that you're supposed to get these things to wake up is you're actually supposed to connect, your Apple device to your laptop, and then you press the power button, you hold it down, and you close the lid as far as you can, and you kind of shake it. And what this does is it resets the fall sensors and it wakes it up. Okay, and I thought, this is silly. I tried plugging it into the power source, closing the lid, holding the power button, doing that, nothing worked. Okay, I don't own an iPhone. I will never own an iPhone. I apologize. I hope I don't offend anybody, but I never will. So I didn't know what to do. Now, what I decided to do, I tried multiple chargers, nothing worked. But I went and plugged it into car charger, USB-C car charger, not an Apple charger, as you can see. But I plugged it in. Lo and behold, it woke it up. And I thought, what the heck? But it wouldn't turn on. So I waited a few minutes, held the power button, closed the lid, held the power button, shook it, and all of a sudden, poof, operating system came up. And I thought, what in the world? It actually worked. Having this charger, I guess the voltage being off, it detected this as a mobile device. Holding the power button down while moving it reset the fall sensor, and it actually woke up the laptop. Now, it didn't want to charge afterwards, except with this. It would only charge with this. So what I decided to do was, once I got it partially charged, I plugged in the actual Apple brick, plugged it in, and then I did the SMC reset, which is shift control option on this particular one. Hold the power button down for 10 seconds and then release it. But you gotta do, I did this while it was turned on, and it cleared everything up, charged like that. I mean, you can watch the battery charging up to 100, from 33%. I was watching at 34, and then just a minute later, 35, 36, and when just rolling up, and now everything worked flawlessly on this. So if you have one of these and you have a spill on it, or you drop something on it, it just doesn't want to wake up, those are things to try. Connect your Apple device to it, or connect a car charger to it. Hold your power button down with the lid closed as much as you can. Use your pinky if you can, so you get that lid closed, and shake it. That should wake it up. And then you're going to do the SMC reset. Sorry, SD card filled up. So then you do the shift control option, reset the SMC, but do it with it powered on with this, your actual Apple charger. Problem solved. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us over at insist-it.tech or insist-it.tech. You can also get us at insist-it.com. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, or if you need help. If you spill something on one of these and you just need help, give us a call. text, email, anything, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Of course, you can always, for those that are on social media and see this video, comment on this video, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks.